Good afternoon, Dr. Suji. How can I help?
Excuse me?
Coffee date of birth. 23rd of what? According to standard wages, saying. Have you got a cold? Oh, bring us back when you feel better. Yes.
I had a text message saying had an appointment at 10 to 4, then one saying 10 past 4.
No, you've got a double appointment.
A double appointment.
Anyway, you missed the first one. You'll have to read to see that there's now. You do realise the luxury, don't you?
No, I didn't know that.
Well, it is.
How do I know it's my turn?
The screen will tell you when it's your turn.
Okay, thank you.
Some people.
Hiring? Aren't you tired of hoping for right candidates to see your job posts and apply? It's like...
Hello?
Hello. This is Christine from the Swinburne Street Surgery. Am I speaking to Brian King?
Yes, I am Brian King.
Hello, Brian. This is a reminder that you've got a double appointment tomorrow with the nurse. It's at 3:50.
Double appointment at 3:50.
Yes, it just means it's longer than what you normally get. It's to give it plenty of time for your annual health check.
Annual health check.
Yes, it's at 3:50 with the nurse.
3:50.
Yes, you could arrive a few minutes early, wait in the waiting room if you want. Have you got any questions? Or is there any reasonable adjustments that you need?
Reasonable adjustments. What does that mean?
Reasonable adjustments mean giving you extra support that you might need, like extra time for your appointments.
Yes. A double appointment.
Yes, that's right, Brian. So, is there anything you need?
No, I can't think of it. Anything.
Okay, but there is anything you need. Let me know. Okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.